Hi guys, so this is a quick little update video type vlog thing. I'm just going to show you my aftermath of Black Friday. As you can see, getting along quite well. I'm going to show you some clips of actual Black Friday at midnight, what happened, and then like throughout the day, all of the notifications I had. Okay guys, so it's Black Friday 2020 and it is 9 past midnight and there is live 10 visitors right now. Already had 2 orders, 3 are checking out, 5 carts, and where are they? I think mainly UK. Oh, where's this? Yeah, UK. Guys, it is 6:45 in the morning. My phone is going crazy. It's been popping off all night already. Pretty much every minute someone's buying. Oh my god. Look, and it's only 6:40. Wow. This is Sunday, the Sunday after Black Friday, and I am pre-packing a lot of my packaging boxes ready for tomorrow so that packing can be easier. I can just throw in everyone's orders into their poly bags or their boxes and just print the labels and get them out, because I want to get these orders out as soon as possible. So that's what we're doing right now. At the moment I'm packing over 100 orders. Yeah, I want to say maybe like 150-60 orders I've got to pack. So I've been up since 6 AM packing all day. Only breaks I've taken is to eat. So yeah, and I still have a lot. So I had a lot of stock come today that wasn't in stock at home, even though I did like say it was in stock, because I knew it was going to come on Monday. So I've got loads of pillowcases, scrunchies, and then obviously the stock that I did have. And then here we have 2 IKEA bags full of orders, and then we have loads of boxes stacked up. Here the little Black Friday sale stickers I bought, you guys saw, and then these empty boxes. And yeah, please believe I'm about to make a cup of coffee because I need to stay awake. I'm not going to film too much just because I really need to concentrate and make sure I get these orders done. But I may just put you know, somewhere so you can see behind the scenes of me packing the orders as usual, because I know that you guys enjoy that kind of content. Hi guys, so this is me. Friday was day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 of the Black Friday event, and I finally packed 90% of my orders. There's still 10% left. Some are the satin gift sets and my ribbons are delayed, so I don't want to send them without them being wrapped in ribbons, so I'm just gonna put those aside and hopefully they come tomorrow or today so I can get them sent out ASAP. But today I'm gonna try and send all of this back and forth to the post office. I know they're gonna hate me, but the reason why I'm not just gonna go with everything is I hate to leave the packages there with them, because I've found that a few times some go missing, maybe they miscount or scan, so I don't want to do that. So just wanted to show you guys the results. I'm going to put in a picture from Instagram of my results from Black Friday, and I'm just so happy and grateful that all of that hard work I put in and all those Shopify apps and all that prep worked. And yeah, I actually did over 10k in sales this month, including wholesale orders. So it's been a very good month. I'm so blessed, so grateful, and I hope this is great inspiration for you guys. I don't know if I'll be back after this section, but if not, catch me in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.